Hey Rob, where are we today?
Barry, today we are on the shores of Lake Killarney at a great new listing of mine at 21 Killarney Drive.
Rob, tell me a little something about this amazing home.
Well, Barry, the current owners commissioned Green Apple Architects and Rare Builders and 21 Design to create this awe-inspiring 5,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 5-bath lakefront pool home.
Rob, you've been selling real estate in Central Florida for many years. How often have you seen this kind of space allocated for a workout room with a view like this?
Not often.
So Rob, what is 21 Killarney Drive being offered at?
We've listed the property at $2,495,000. So what are you seeing in regards to buyers and their expectations and their needs for financing on a property like this at this price?
Yeah, that's a great question, Rob. Waterstone Mortgage, we have fantastic options when it comes to jumbo mortgages. Jumbo mortgages being financing really anything over $550,000. So we do have some great jumbo options. What we also find is many times prospective clients that you may have looking at a property like this, many times have a private banker option where they're using their net worth to finance a property like this. Either way, I would love to consult with a potential client to see what the best option is for them. Of course, we'd love to help them finance their mortgage, Waterstone would, but many times the best option for a client purchasing a property like this would be a private banker. Rob, what do you think we would grab a martini at Hillstones?
Sounds good. Let's take the boat.
Let's do it.
All right.